This fight is for everyone, and our concerns are real. Everyone is our back, and we are in the right direction. We know to pampa my concerns about my legalities and all. The employer are and so right now we are coming from the labor court, and my lawyers do phone kulafaji vazvidira jecha alright, for now to come much is right. So lawyer are keen to address you as well, because they say we need to keep the unity. So vanga vachitika navazopiwa the proper documentation from the court inotaura kuti case analifaiwa ni might come here to address us. We hope kuti we are tichiripo.